Hey guys, Dave the Watchman here coming at you with another watch review video. Today I've got an order from Amazon Prime, so we're going to open that up and show you what's inside the package. But as always, before I get started, I just wanted to shout out to all my current subscribers and say thank you guys all so much. You guys are awesome. Thank you for all the interaction with the channel, liking and subscribing, posting comments, and everything else that you guys do. You guys are awesome. If you are new to this channel, I am Dave the Watchman, and I review budget-friendly watches for the everyman because I don't believe that you should have to spend a fortune to look like you have a fortune. And if you do like that concept, I would appreciate that thumbs up. Liking and subscribing always does help out the channel, as well as all of your interactions, especially if you want to see more watches and watch review videos, because that's what I do here at Dave the Watchman on YouTube and DaveTheWatchman.com, where I showcase all of the watches that I do review and provide affiliate links so that you guys can head on over and pick these watches up and wear them for yourself. So, without further ado, let's get into this package and show you guys what I have received today. Okay, so this is a watch that I've been wanting to check out, a watch company that I found on Amazon. It's called BERNY, obviously by the name on the box. So we're going to get inside this and check it out and see if this is a decent watch for the price point. As you guys know from watching the channel, I'm all about budget-friendly watches. That's what this channel is about. Buying watches and having a collection that you don't have to spend a ton of money on. And so, let's get in here and see if this BERNY watch brand fits the bill. Alright, so on initial presentation, the watch is, well, it was supposed to be in this bag, I would assume, so I guess it was packaged incorrectly. And this came off, so not really sure how that plays into things. It's got a secondary rubber strap holder, unless that's just an extra. I don't know. Okay, so on first impression, now this is, I picked this watch because I loved the way it looked, and it did have a lot of spec for the price. So let's take a look at it and see if it is as nice as I thought it would be. This is the BERNY AM7081M watch. And on first impression, I do love the way it looks. It does look just as good in person as I thought it was going to based on the photographs. Here comes my buddy Shrody. Buddy, you gotta kind of calm down a little bit. You can't just knock things down. So that's my cat Shrody. He likes to be involved in all of the videos. So, it is just as nice as I thought it was going to look in person. Very sharp looking dial, very sporty. It's got nice construction and design on this thing. It's a milled stainless steel case, which is really nice. It does have that screw down back. This watch does have the exhibition case. It is a self-winding mechanical automatic watch. And it does have that beautiful exhibition case. It's 20 ATM water resistance, so it is not going to be an issue if you're swimming or if you get it wet. It is a sapphire crystal on this. And wait till you guys hear what the price is on this thing. You're not going to believe what you're getting for the price you pay on this watch. The specs are just unbelievable. So as we turn the watch, we have the winding crown. It does have that safety type winding crown where it's a little bit loose. It's to avoid breaking the stem. So it does feel like that's a little bit loose when you pull it all the way out, but when you actually turn the watch, everything feels nice and tight. It's a very tightly constructed watch. Everything seems to move pretty smoothly on it, and it's nice and tight. Let's see what the loom capability is on this thing. I'm holding up in front of the light here, and oh guys, the loom is beautiful on this thing. Very bright loom. Now, one of the coolest features I think about this watch is it does have the rotating timekeeping bezel. and it's actually rotated by turning the crown, the upper crown. So if you want to set it, it's bi-directional. So if you want to set it for wherever you need to set it to keep track of whatever time you need to keep track of, you can just move it by this instead of by turning an outer rotating bezel. So everything's all internal. Very, very nicely constructed watch. I'm very satisfied with this purchase. This is a great watch. Let's see what happens. Let's turn the date. It's the day-date format. So everything is, you turn it up to get the day, you turn it back to do the date. So very, very nice watch. I think it's beautiful with the orange. Got a nice silicone strap on it. Should be a real comfortable wear. Let's try and put this thing on and see how it feels on the wrist. Okay, so putting it on, the silicone strap does seem like it is a bit soft, and that that belt keeper there just kind of seems really, really soft and squishy. So I really would have preferred a more rigid feel to the band, but it is a very comfortable wear. And the watch does fit really, really nicely on the wrist. So I will have to say, overall, I'm going to give this thing a thumbs up. I do think they could have done a little bit of a better job on the band itself. But other than that, I mean, it winds nice and smooth. It adjusts, everything adjusts really smoothly on it. It does have that beautiful sweeping second hand. It is a Miyota 8205 self-winding mechanism with the day-date format. The cool thing about this watch also, it is available in 3 different colors. So if you click on that affiliate link I'm going to post in the description below, you guys can head on over and check it out. It comes also in black with a black dial and a white dial, as well as the orange dial. But it's really a really great spec'd watch, and believe it or not, you can pick this thing up on Amazon right now for around $90. So for $90, you get a sapphire crystal, 200 meters of water resistant, automatic mechanical self-winding Miyota 8205 movement on a stainless steel milled case, silicone strap, day-date format, and you get to choose between 3 different colors. And like I said, one of the coolest features of this watch is the fact that you can adjust the timer, the countdown bezel, by the top winding crown. So it is a really, really nice watch and great specs for the price. You cannot really argue with it. So I would have to say, as far as affordability and as far as budget-friendly watches are concerned, this is definitely a thumbs up. I would not hesitate to head on over to Amazon and pick one of these guys up. And remember, Amazon always does have their hassle-free return policies. You can't beat them. They've got the best return policies in the business. So head on over to Amazon, and if you do have Amazon Prime, pick one of these guys up, and you guys can wear one of these watches for yourself. So once again, it is an affiliate link. Doesn't change the price for you guys. You guys pay the price no matter what it is. The only difference is I get a commission out of the sale if you do decide to click on that link below and pick one of these guys up. So once again, I am Dave the Watchman. I review budget-friendly watches for the everyman because I don't believe that you should have to spend a fortune to look like you have a fortune. And if you do like that concept, I would definitely appreciate that thumbs up, because liking and subscribing always does help out the channel, especially if you want to see more watches and watch review videos, because that's what I do here at Dave the Watchman on YouTube and DaveTheWatchman.com, where I showcase all of the watches I do review here and provide affiliate links so you guys can head on over and pick these watches up for yourself. So if you are already a subscriber and you do want to help support this channel in real time, you can click on that join button below, and that'll show you what kind of membership options we do have available. And you can also head on over to here and click on that super thanks button, and that would be very much appreciated. So once again, I do have many, many, many watches coming in the next couple of days, so stay tuned to the channel if you like affordable and budget-friendly watches for the everyman, because that's what I do here at Dave the Watchman. Once again, till the next video, I will see you guys all, and I hope you guys have a great week.